Well, hello, you guys. How are you? We will continue talking about the future forms, the two different future forms that we talked about earlier today, which are will versus going to. Um, the most important thing that you have to remember is that they are used for different purposes. Will is used. Then we will see how. But will is used to make an offer. For example, I will buy the fruit. For a threat, when you say, as the example I gave you, you do it or I will call the police. I will call the police. I'm threatening you. A promise, don't worry, mom, I will do it. For the decision made at the spur of the moment, in the moment I'm talking about, which is not a plan, it's not something, it's not an intention that I had and I thought about and I am pretty sure I want to do it. It's something I decide in the moment I'm talking. Like if I go to a restaurant and my friend asks me, what would you like to eat? I don't know, maybe I will eat, I don't know, a steak or a salad, and I decide at that moment. It's a decision I make in the moment. It's not something I had thought or planned before. That's why a prediction is a prediction, also for predictions based on what I know. I know that this time of the year it always rains. So I say, okay, it will rain probably soon because it's always rainy in May or in June. I make a prediction, but I'm sure, not sure, but from the information I know, I can make a prediction. Yes, but I am not seeing anything or hearing anything. I'm just making a prediction based on the information I possess or I know. For general future, when you are not sure, general future, that in 2040 we will, I don't know, discover a vaccination for this virus. For hopes, I hope we will meet soon. For the first conditional sentences, like if it rains, I will take an umbrella, the typical example, or if it snows, I will play it outside. I will play outside and make a snowman. I will make a snowman. And in general, you will find the will future with expressions like I think, I believe, maybe, perhaps, because you are not sure when you use will. It's like a future when you are not so sure of the situation. It's to make a prediction in general when, I don't know, somebody reads the hands or uses the crystal ball and says, okay, you will get married, you will have two children. Yes. Also, as I said before, decision made at the spur of the moment, hope, threats, promises, hopes I said, well, all these cases, and it's used the will, or in the negative form, want, with the infinitive verb, always. And it is the same for all the pronouns, it doesn't change. And for the question, you use will you go? I won't go. I will go. The abbreviation of this is when you find the apostrophe with the two L's. I'll go, for example. And the auxiliary is will. Will you go? Yes, I will. No, I won't.